going to see MAX72XX or MAX7219 LED display. So that is a matrix display. So as you can see, you can have the 8 number of row and 8 number of columns of LED display. So we are going to see a scrolling message display in this MAX7219. So first we have to connect the pins. So there are 3 pins. One is the clock pin. So the clock pin has to be connected to pin number 13 of the Arduino, and then chip select. So chip select, you can connect it to any pin. So here we are going to connect to 10th pin, and the same pin is indicated in the program also. Next pin we have the data in pin D in, and it is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. So remaining we have the supply and ground pin. So ground we can connect it to ground of the Arduino, and supply we can connect it to 5 volts. So now as you can see, I have downloaded the program. So after downloading, the text is mucee technologies, and so this can be, if you have more number of displays, we can connect it in a daisy chain manner. So by using the pins on the other side, that is the data pin, that we can connect it using the daisy chain manner, and we can connect as many displays as possible. So if you are connecting more displays, we have to give a power supply separately from a 12 volt supply or something. Thank you for watching mucee Technologies. Subscribe to mucee.